In this video I will be demonstrating a wire-wrapped crystal point pendant. It is personal choice which method you use to turn this versatile unisex design into a functional necklace. I will be using this quartz crystal point. The measurements in this video are for a crystal a similar size to this one. For different size stones, increase or decrease the length of wire as necessary. I have two lengths of 20 gauge wire for my base wires. You don't need fancy gadgets to straighten your wire, just run it through your fingers with a piece of cloth. Take a length of your weaving wire. Start wrapping from the middle of the base wires. Wrap twice around one of the base wires. Place the other wire above the first and wrap twice around both wires. Wrap twice around just the lower wire. Wrap twice around both wires. Repeat this pattern. You will need something round, approximately 18mm in diameter, which is 11/16 of an inch. I have woven for 2¼ inches, which is approximately the circumference of my mandrel. Shape the woven wires around the mandrel. The loop will try to spring open a little bit, so just gently bring the ends of the weave together. Place the unwoven wires next to each other with the shorter pair of wires at the top. Wrap once around the upper of the longer wires. Wrap once around the lower of the shorter wires, and repeat. Continue weaving the shorter pair of wires. I have woven up to approximately 1 inch from the end of the wires. Remove the wire tails. Always make sure that the weaving wire is trapped between the two base wires before you remove the excess. Take another length of weaving wire and weave together the longer pair of wires. I have woven up to 1 inch from the end of the wires. Remove the weaving wire tails. Place the crystal in position where the wires meet, with the top in the middle of the circle. Wrap the longer wires a couple of times around the crystal, wrapping towards the bottom of the crystal. Repeat with the shorter wires, wrapping towards the top of the crystal. You can bend the circle back a little bit to make it easier to wrap around the crystal. Back to the longer wires. Wrap around the bottom of the crystal. Cut the wires shorter. Bend the cut ends into small loops and position them over the bottom of the crystal. I can feel one of the cut ends, so I am making sure that it is tucked in. Repeat the process with the top wires, positioning the loops over the top of the stone. Bend the circle back into position. I have made a necklace out of 3 strands of thin leather cord to complete my project. Thank you for viewing. Please join me for my next project.